YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video. Today is the day we is knocking this out, man. You see it, big SRT8, man. It's about to get them 6 pistons on, man. It's about to get them 6 pistons on, man. You feel me? Let y'all see this. I'm getting them ready right now. I'm getting all my stuff ready. So let y'all see. Hold on. Bam. It's ready. Everything outside, man. Got all my wrenches and whatever I need. Sockets. I got all that ready. The jack. Got the jack stands. Got the big boy rotors. Man, they gonna be heavy, but hey, it is what it is, man. Know what I'm saying? Like I said, they are used, but you know, I just knocked some of the rust off of them. So clean that up later though. But you know, it is what it is. Yeah, man, it goes down, man. It goes down. Went to the store. I did buy some more brake fluid just in case. Make sure I had the right one, the .3, which I do got the .3. So can't wait to take that back so I can get my little measly $7 back. Got my brake bleeder kit right here. Yes, sir. So you know what? I know I got one somewhere. I just didn't feel like looking for it. So we're gonna pop that out right now. Got everything I need. Remember I told y'all that bleeder screw? Got that mug added. You know what I mean? Still got one more extra right here. The bleeder screw took 11. These are 11. Because somebody said it was 10. And I bleed these bolts back here. I believe they are 21s, but we gonna see once we take that take the other calipers off, man. Like I said, these are Brembo 6 pistons. Came off a Dodge Challenger. And they're gonna be a direct swap, man, to the SRT8 4-piston Brembos, man. So we're gonna be straight on that, man. So I can't wait to knock this out, man. It's gonna be looking good. You can see the 4-piston right now. Yeah, I didn't take nothing off yet. I just want to make sure I had everything ready to go, man. I just want to make sure I had everything, make sure I had all my tools and stuff, man. So yeah, we about to knock this out. This video won't be long. It'll probably be 8 minutes long. But I ain't gonna let y'all see all that other bull crap. But y'all know I see the other boy out. Yeah, see the other boy out. Foes on the Impala, you feel me? Big SRT8, you feel me? But yeah, we about to do this though. All right, so go ahead, check me out. All right, YouTube, just got the wheels off. You know what I mean? Just so y'all know, we do have Brembo brakes on here, man. You know, we do have Brembo brakes. Should be quick, easy, and super simple. I was told to go ahead and splice. What's that called? Not splice. I can't even think of what it's called right now. I'm just losing my mind. Pinch this, but I'm not gonna pinch it now. I'm pinch the brake line. Pinch the brake line before I unscrew this down here. You know what I'm saying? So, but we about to check, see what size is these bolts right now. I think somebody said it was 21. Try to find what I did with my 21. See this socket right here. It's a 21 socket right here. Oh, before I do that, let me rest this car down on these jack stands. All right, YouTube, we back. All right, you know what I'm saying? All the wrenches, the brake fluid bolt is 15. Got the 15. 21 socket, also equivalent to a 13/16. Okay. Because I know this is pretty too long. Oh, this top one right here. So you see the clearance on that, ain't gonna have no room. So we'll see with that. Hey, don't forget, y'all, the brake fluid is corrosive, man. So make sure you protect your paint, especially when you get ready to pour. Got my stuff covered up for now. You know what I'm saying? Got the cap off already, so I don't forget about doing that. And we about to get it in, man. So like I said, man, like, share, subscribe. You didn't believe this was an SRT8, you believe it now, man. So here we go. All right, YouTube, you see it. They are not officially installed though. I just got them sitting up there with a bolt in it. You know what I mean? But yeah, direct fits. 07 SRT Magnum, direct fit. See my 4 pistons down there. Hey, only problem I personally had is probably what I always got, man. You know them bolts, man. Hey, I only weigh 175, man, 160, man, somewhere like there. And hey, them bolts on the back, which is either a 21 or 13/16 socket, man. But them bolts on the back was kicking my ass. Lucky I ain't stripped nothing, but lucky everything good. I just had to go to the store, get some Loctite right quick before I actually button these up. And I do got my my power stop pads that's in the house still. I still gotta go grab them. And that's it, man. And also this little update on the power stop brakes for the SRT Durango of mine. They do got low dust, man. I will definitely say that, man. They do got low dust, man. So I'm definitely gonna stick with the power stops now. I'm not gonna mess with the Hawk pads, even though I still got Hawk pads somewhere back there. Still got them for the rear of this car though, so I'm gonna keep them just for the rear, man, because I'm cool with that. But definitely in the fronts, I'm gonna mess with the power stops from now on, man, for sure. So yeah, like I said, direct fit, man, no problem. Everything direct fit. The brake line, the bolts, the rotors, see slid right on, no problem, man. Direct fit, man. So like I said, real SRT8 07. Long as you got the spindle, which this is the spindle right here. Long as you got the spindle, man, you good, man. So for anybody that got an RT V6, all you gotta do is, if you want to get the 4 pistons, all you gotta do is change the spindle out, man. After that, you be straight. Change the spindle, man. But yeah, man, they big boys, man. They big as hell. We'll see how they gonna look on these 26s though. They're gonna look nice and looking pretty good, man. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this up, man, and drop this car, put these wheels back on. I'm gonna show you how the wheels look before I put the spinners back on though. So I still probably got like another hour, man. You know, I'm taking my time now, so ain't no rush. So all right. All right, YouTube, we got the driver's side installed, you know. Yep, everything's installed. So y'all can see. Everybody's look at his pin with his clips. The bar goes underneath the clip. So these 2 fins are up top. The big one goes in the middle. The other fins, I'm gonna call these fins right here, so y'all don't get them confused. But it's super simple and easy, man. Real easy. We almost done, man. I've been slacking though the last hour or so. But yeah, we almost done, man. I still ain't test fit the 26s yet. I'm pretty sure they gonna have no problem fitting. They had Bremos on before, and they was designed to go around the 4 pistons. I'm pretty sure these ain't no not probably too much thicker for real. I didn't even test it for real neither. Anyway, but we'll see. YouTube, we are back, and guess what? It's a whole new day, man. Hey, you see the wheels all right? Oh my God, man, it's a whole new day, man. And if you really see what's going on, do you see it? Do you see it? Yes, we had issues, man, and I wasn't trying to deal with them. yesterday because I ran out of time. But as of right now, these 6 pistons are a lot thicker than the 4 pistons, man. Like I said, my wheels was designed specifically from the manufacturer. Well, from Dub. They specifically to be mounted on a 4 piston caliper. These obviously is too thick. So I had to do some shaving, man. So everything you see the metal, had to shave it down. And as you see, this wheel is still slightly rubbing, slightly. The passenger side, I mean the driver's side is cool. Passenger side slightly rubbing, so I'm gonna sand some more down. Then I'm gonna take some caliper paint, spray it back red. Hopefully that it matches a little, which it should. And we should be good to go, man. Also, I had to throw a spacer back here, man. A skinny spacer, super skinny. And it's still on the hub, so. And like you can tell, my wheels is built for the car. There's no gap in between, man. No gap. So that's how you know your wheels really built for the car, man. There's no gap. It should slide right on with no gap. And the wheel's still sitting on the hub too, so it's not sitting on the what's these called? Lug nuts. Or the nuts. No, they not lug nuts. Can't do their car right now. The bolts. They're not sitting on the bolts. They're still sitting on the hub. Because that's most importantly I was caring about. Still tucking. You know, still tucking. So we good on that. Yeah, my main thing about putting that spacer on, I just want to make sure that it was still sitting on this hub, which it still is, which is still cool for me. So it's basically done, man. I already bled the brakes, did that yesterday. Already the new pads in, obviously the only pads that I got brand new. They all good. What they call, I broke those in yesterday too. So, but it was so major rubbing yesterday, man. Major rubbing. Sound like my wheel was about to fall off, man. Sound like it was just grinding away, man. But yeah, we see 6 pistons on there on the Srt Magnum. Like I said, it's only issue you gotta run with. Everything direct fit, no problem. Just put them on, man. Take the old one off, put the new one on. You might need a spacer for the factory wheels. I don't know. I'm not even gonna try to test fit it, even though I gotta take these off anyway. I'm not about to go to the house to test fit my factory 20s on these. It's not gonna do it. Probably gonna end up needing a spacer. But them wheels are built different. You got a concave to them, the way they shaped. So, but yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and sand. I'll probably go sand this side down a little bit more. Well, I gotta take the wheel off anyway to paint. So I'm probably gonna sand this side down just a tad bit more. And I'm gonna sand the other side down. And what I was using, you probably wanna know what I was using. This dye right here. That's what I was using. Got this from Harbor Freight, which I've been had it for a while now. Cause I use my sand my brake caliper down on my pallet too. So got from Harbor Freight. That's what I'm using. Kind of wore this out. So we're gonna pop this one on. And like I said, it's metal, man. So if you get a dye tool, man, make sure you get a something that grinds on metal and basically get like the Tuscan one or the Mansory one bit, so you can grind through that metal real good, man. But otherwise, that we good, man. We grind it down, sand it down. Hey, I'm gonna sand this side down some more. We good to go.
Long nights on that block. I remember Miller Heat trying to make $1 million right on Bill. Man, I met my nigga. Rest in peace, my nigga. All this shit I sacrificed to try to be that nigga. I just wanna flow. All the trips I took, money I fucked up. Did it for the hood. My first trip was my worst trip. I ain't make it back. Then I tried to mail.
All right, YouTube, shaved it down, just resprayed it, sprayed over the stickers, you know what I mean? The stickers actually is pretty good on there, man, so I just went and sprayed it, so should be good to go, man. Hopefully, if it is rubbing, at least I know where it's gonna be rubbing at, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, is everything good to go, man? I'm gonna let this dry. Man. Let's go ahead and mount back up. You feel me? But like I said, man, it's your boy Young Rich 419. See the Rango looking oh so mighty clean. Oh man, let me get the Impala too, man. Gotta get the Impala, man. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, like I said, man, I did the Impala the same way, man. I shaved down this bar right here. For those who don't watch my Impala videos, but I shaved down this bar. You know what I'm saying? Shade it down a little bit so I can clear it. So it don't be rubbing against it, and then boom. We back in play, man, you feel me? But like I said, Young Rich 419. 6 pistons on a Dodge Magnum. Next video, I'm gonna be mounted up and everything, and spinners back on. Yeah. All right, y'all. Peace.
I just like the sound of it.
Lately I've been faded. Drinking them bottles till them bottles end up hollow. Lately I've been faded. When I have issues, the liquor is my tissue. Lately I've been faded. No destination driving my car. Lately I've been faded. I might end up in somebody's bar.